Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you how to split single column of text into multiple columns using text to column feature in Microsoft Excel. Without taking much time, I will explain this feature using this simple worksheet. You can see there is a table with 5 columns. However, 4 of them are not filled with data and only one column is filled with product identification number. If you carefully go through these numbers, you can realize all the product identification numbers created combining 4 different codes which are separated using forward slash symbol. Those 4 codes are location code, batch code, item code and item number. However, in this situation we want to separate each of these 4 codes into 4 different columns. So that is why there is 4 separate blanks columns with the column headings of location code, batch code, item code and item number. Then we'll see how to do this using text to column feature in Microsoft Excel. So as the first step, you should select all the product identification numbers. However, you will not select output cell range like in our previous videos. Then go to Data tab and click on Text to Column icon in the Data Tools group. Now you can see Convert to Text to Column wizard appeared in your screen and we have to follow simple 3 steps to get our desired output. As the first step of this wizard, we have to specify what describe our data based among 2 alternatives called delimited and fixed width. In this case, Excel automatically identified the data set we are using here is delimited since each field is separated using character. Then keep selection as it is and click next. Then in this point we should tell Excel what delimiters available in our selected dataset. So it can be tab, semicolon, comma, space or any other character. In this dataset the delimiter is forward slash. Then select and tick the option called other and type forward slash in the small box next to it. However, you can enter whatever the character as delimiter depending on your dataset. You can see just after entering the forward slash, the dataset separated into 4 separate columns and forward slash disappeared from the dataset in data preview. Apart from this, you can see another 2 selections are available in this window. One is treat consecutive delimiters as 1. By checking this, you ask Excel to treat multiple consecutive delimiters as one delimiter if there is any. Since our dataset don't have such delimiters, keep it as it is, and also we are not going to change the text qualifier as well. Then click on next. Now we are in the final step of this convert text to column wizard and here you will select column and dataset format. Under this, first the column data format. There are column data formats like general, text and date. You can select it entirely depending on your dataset and there are different date formats also to select if your dataset contain any dates. Since the data format of this dataset is general, then select general. In the advanced option, you can select decimal separator and thousand separator as well. Keeping it as default, I am moving to the final selection. As the final selection, now we have to select the destination. It means it is the place where we want to place our output. Then select cell C6 as our destination. Now we have done with entering all the requirements. Then click on finish. Click OK in the message and you can see 4 different codes in our product identification numbers appeared in first column separated into 4 different columns as we expected. So this is how we can use text to column feature in Microsoft Excel to split single column of text into multiple columns. You can practice this by your own by downloading this worksheet from the link mentioned in the description. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching and we'll meet again with another video. Goodbye.